Our food is good and booze is good as well and beats is good as well and you will never be wrong.
Joseph Nano, head chef here at Pep Ronnie.
Hi, I'm Kay Mercado. I'm one of the owners of Pep Ronnie.
I'm Crystal Herrera. I'm the sales and marketing manager.
Well, it started late 2016. We're just setting up something that we knew could be something bigger in Pampanga. So 6 years later, here we are. We're still here. We survived the pandemic, I guess. We were aiming for something homey, somewhere you can relax, have a drink, and at the same time enjoy pizza with your beverage.
Well, talaga kilala kami for our pizza because I think dito sa Pampanga, specifically here in our city, kami yung una na brick oven. Tapos homemade yung dough kasi namin.
Well, initially we're known talaga for our pizza. Yeah, sa pizza pub, essentially. But, you know, now we're trying to diversify a bit. We're going into Filipino food a bit, just for new offerings, just to keep it fresh, you know, keep it new.
Nothing has changed. The quality of our food is still the same. And aside from that, meron pa kaming new offer for them, which is kaya inayos namin yung menu namin, new items on the menu.
Okay, to start up, syempre yung mga starters natin. So meron tayo ditong Caesar salad taco, baked oyster, meron din tayong whole fried squid dito. At syempre yung mga pizza naman natin, hindi papauli yan since ito yung mga best seller na yan. So meron tayong paro pizza, garlic spinach, PNR pizza, and breakfast pizza. For our mains naman, so meron tayo ditong beef salpicao, pep pares, pep burger steak, and garlic shrimp. And for our dessert, kanilang double cookie a la mode. If you want to chill naman, syempre available din yung mga drinks nila dito. So meron tayo ditong gin and jam, meron tayong apricot whiskey sour, meron tayong Negroni, and yung kanilang Ronnie's rum. So syempre, titikman natin yan.
Oh, cheers! Ooh. Ayan. Cheers! Daming cheese nun. And actually, you can actually, and again, you can actually lick it.
Okay, so syempre, try din natin yan.
Okay.
Wow, sarap.
All at once. Mana? Filipino dishes na sinaserve na rin nila dito, which is best paired, sabi nga ni Chef, right after your alcohol, your drink, pag medyo tipsy na, while this is hot, chow mo na to. Yan. Cheers! Naman ha? That's good.
Titikman natin yung kanilang breakfast pizza. Yan, so meron siyang tocino, sabi nila. Yan, so let's taste it.
So another must-have sa mga Filipino dishes that they are starting to serve here is itong beef salpicao na to, partnered with this garlic fried rice. Yan. Cheers!
So we have events and it is different every day para hindi magsawa yung tao. And depende din sa anong gustong jive ng mga customers.
Yes.
Like on every Tuesday, we have Choose to Chill. Yun yung title ng event namin every Tuesday. Performed by Sueño Band. Wednesday, we have 80s and 90s music. We call it Retro Vinyl Wednesdays. Thursday, we have Thursday with Pot Sembrano. And we have Unplugged Friday with Jem Makatuno. And then every Saturday, we have Saturdays. And we have different DJs from local and from Manila DJs.
So Sunday, we have a family promo, anything 3,000 and above, a single receipt, you get a free signature pizza from Pep Ronnie. From Monday to Sunday, we have Only Margarita from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. We also have Happy Hour, Monday to Sunday din yun. 11 a.m. naman to 6 p.m., 65 pesos on all local beers. We also have a promo for food, chicken all you can, from Monday to Sunday. It's only 380 pesos. We have our oysters there. It's now available from Wednesday to Saturday. There you go.
Pep Ronnie is located at Maligayo 168 Building, Dolores, San Fernando, Pampanga.
We are open every Saturday from 11 a.m. to 3 a.m., Sunday to Monday, 11 a.m. to 12 midnight.
And from Tuesday to Friday, we are open from 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. See you here!